Lucy, what are we doing? Are we with Cousin Peter? We're eating our lunch with Cousin Peter. Where's Peter? Here's Peter. No, you can show Peter. Is it on the cord or something? There's Peter, yawning like a big boy. And hiccuping.
We have two little cousins with the hiccups. Hiccup. Hiccup. Hiccup.
Your turn, Peter.
Your turn, Lucy. There you go. Hiccup.
Pretty, honey. And honey's just watching it all. Hoping for a spill, honey. Honey,
No, honey.
Honey,
no.
come. Great, come on. Honey, come. Honey.
Honey, no.
Honey, come. Oh boy. Come here. Oh, let's not be disobedient on camera. There. Poor Peter's had the hiccups for like a half hour.
Lucy, we're eating.
Want me to keep going? Do I stop it with the button?
The round button.